Hello, Chef here, once again working with apples, and I'm going to do a knife review for you. This knife's been featured in a bunch of the videos, and I would just want to touch on it a little bit more. This is a Chroma Turbo. This baby is made in Germany and designed by F.A. Porsche. Hair splitting sharpness. This is a super steel, people. German turbo steel, Ka6 edge, 60-degree Rockwell hardness. This is a very special knife, and because of that, I think I should show you what it can do. Real simple here. I'm going to start with this apple and remove some of the peel. Quite often I like to do this. Okay, just removing some of the peel kind of uniformly. There's a few reasons for that. I'm not going to get into all the details, but anyway. A little bit of peel removed. Yeah, just like that. Okay. Leaving some of the peel on, some of the peel off, just like this. Okay. And then, moving along here, I want to show you some different cuts you can do with this knife. Obviously you got the core in the middle, so the easiest thing to do is work around the core. I'm going to start with just 4 nice cuts. Remove. Okay, there we go. With a knife like this, you can do a lot of different things. First thing I'm going to show you is just a slice, a basic slice. Get the rocking motion down, and it's really, really nice with this knife. Keep your fingers back. Just like this. So easy and so consistent. Every one of these slices is the same thickness. Pretty close. Really, really nice, really easy. Next we got a little julienne cut here, and the knife is so sharp it just makes it really, really easy to do your julienne cut. These I'll put over here. These ones here. Let's square the ends up a little. Like this. Okay. There's a little julienne. So easy with the right knife. So sharp. Pretty nice. Would look really good with a dessert. Nice presentation there. Okay. And then I'm going to do a small dice out of this one. Okay, small dice. You want to just get a couple of nice pieces like this. Small dice is 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. Okay. If you want perfect small dice, well then you remove these end pieces and you cut off the ends like this. You cut off the ends like this, and then you can go very, very small. Okay, that's a very nice small dice right there. And then once again, if you're just doing something simple like apple pie, you want to just go fast, nice fast slices. Just like this, okay? So that's the review. I'm going to eat the apple, maybe share it, but I wanted to just show you some of the stuff that's out there. I love when people tell me my knife can do that, my knife's sharper. Well, no it's not. There's about 50 reasons, but I'll give you the first one, and that this knife was just tested to be the sharpest knife in Germany. I'll repeat that. The sharpest knife in Germany based upon the tests. And those tests are splitting hairs. How much pressure, how sharp is the knife, and what does it take to split hairs? This knife is hair splitting right here. Yeah. And with what I've seen in those tests, this is the sharpest knife made in Germany right now. The little blue pearl means turbo. Yeah. With that, I'll leave you to get cooking and use the best knives you can. This is some words of wisdom for you to chew on and think about. Use the best knives you can afford at any given time in your life. So once you've used all the junk, the giveaways, the cheap stuff, the bonus pieces, all that crap from the big box retailer, you know who they are. Well, there's 2 or 3 of them out there, but you're done with all that crap and you move on to some quality stuff. Try something like the Turbo. Wow, you're gonna love it. Cutting, cooking, pleasure, and it's so easy to achieve all of the cuts, and it's more enjoyable. Yeah. Please like, share, subscribe, support the channel. Have a beautiful day.